But before taking on the water slide, we checked out the other features, like how there's over 100 jet skis on this island.
It's a bit overkill.
And not to mention, there's a literal zip line that spans across man-made beaches. What's the helmet for? What am I gonna hit?
The ground, bro.
Because sometimes people fall off.
This is like really scary.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. Carl, you're kind of far behind. This is awesome. This is actually not that crazy. And if you own this island, you can host over 13,000 of your friends at any of these 5 gargantuan pools. Oh. This kind of looks like it was made in Minecraft.